Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the Samsung TU7000 65-inch Crystal UHD Smart TV. So these are the peripherals we got from the box. So we have the user manual. We also have the quick setup guide right here. We have our remote, our power cord, and the TV base. Those two clips are the cord organizers. This is the free battery we got from the box, and this is our TV remote. So we just have to take the back side of the remote and put the batteries in right here. There you go.
Perfect.
You have the power cord. It is a relatively long cord and it's 2-prong, USA standard. These are the feet or base of our TV and the cable organizer. So it clips on the base like so with your cord. So what's to keep it organized?
Perfect.
This is the left TV base slot from the bottom of our TV, and this one is our power button, right in the middle of the TV at the bottom. Now this one is the right TV base slot that we have. So now we are going to assemble our base. So you take the right base to the right slot and you just insert it like so. Make sure that it's firm and connected right there. Good one. Now we take the left one and insert it the same way. So this is the left one, the base of the TV, and we insert it the same way. Make sure that it's firmly connected. And there you go. Now this is our Samsung TU7000 65-inch TV.
Perfect.
We have the inputs and outputs at the back, USB 3.0, optical out, HDMI 1 and 2 right there. And we also have our antenna in and non-cable port. Now we power up our TV for the first time. Now we're going to set up our TV. You can either download their app on iOS or Android to set up the TV, or you can also use the provided remote, which what we are going to do right now. Select your country or region. From my end, it should be Asia or Europe. Select it right there. Now these are the connections that's available for us, shown right here. Now we configure our wireless connection so we can connect to the internet. Choose your Wi-Fi connection and then enter your password and press enter. If it's successful, you'll see it right here.
Perfect.
Now you'll be shown the terms and conditions where you can view the details right here, or you can choose to just agree with it all like I'm doing right now. There. Now you have to sign in with your Samsung account. Create your Samsung account through samsung.com and then go back here to sign in with your newly created Samsung account. This is for backup. That's why they were asking you to log in. So it is wise to do so. So create your account and then sign in. Now selecting your TV source. On my end is my cable box. So I will choose cable box from the source and then set it up like so. So I'll choose my provider with my cable box and then set it up like so. So once on the setup period, you can test it by toggling the channel up and down on your remote. If the channel changes on that window right there, it means that it is successfully set up.
Perfect.
If you see this screen, then it means that you have successfully set up your source. You can now watch your TV. So now to set up your TV settings. There are a lot of settings that comes with the TV, so I invite you to explore all the options available for you. First we go to the TV signal from our cable box. You see our picture. You see Christian Bale right there. This is HBO HD right here. So we go to the picture settings and you see all the picture settings that is available right here. So for the picture mode, you got dynamic, natural, standard. All those modes that is available for you. And then this one is your zoom settings. So you can use 16:9, 4:3, or whatever zoom you want. Then in this one, you'll see the expert settings. So if you really want to customize how your TV looks or the output on the TV, this is where you go. So this in here, you can really dial down on whatever settings you want, like blur, motion blur, noise, those kind of things. There, it instantly shows you the setting that you have changed right there. Now we go to the sound settings. On the sound settings output, You can choose to use your TV speaker, or you can connect it via optical or Bluetooth to an external speaker. For the sound mode, I usually use amplify because there's much more volume there than the standard one. And then we also have the expert settings for our sound, same with our picture. So here you can dial down on every little details pertaining to sound. So we just have to explore which settings to use from here. So we also have the general settings where we see all the stuff we can do with the TV, like echo mode, accessibility, and such. You also have support here where you do the upgrades, and of course the terms and privacy. Now here's how you can choose to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your TV. So go to the optical list, so you see the Bluetooth speaker list. Make sure your speaker is on. There you go. Just like that. Now we go to the apps. We have various apps like the Netflix app. In here you can access your Netflix account. You just have to sign in so you can browse Netflix. You can also stream via YouTube app. Signed in or signed out is your choice. You can also try Amazon Prime Video if you have an account. You just have to sign in as well to browse the Amazon titles. Amazon Prime, that is. There you go. Now you can also browse the internet via your TV if you choose to do so. So go to internet browsing. So the browser will open like so. You can go to the Google and use the onboard keyboard right here. Or you can also connect a keyboard via Bluetooth so as to use it when you're browsing the net via your TV. As you can see here, you can scroll down through the Google search. You can also add tabs in here, open apps, open URLs. There's a lot of things you can do with the internet browsing capability of your TV, so there you go. Now we go to the external hard drive part. You can also connect your external hard drive to the USB 3.0 input on the back of your TV. Of course, with your legally downloaded files, right? So you can play it right on your TV like so. Here's our player right here.
Wow!
So when you first open your TV, it will ask you to update your software, so you should do so that bugs can be fixed with these updates. So you just have an internet connection ready, and then the TV will do the rest. When it's all downloaded and set up, it will reboot your TV like so, and then you see this screen. There you go. So there you have it, guys. This is our quick unboxing and review of the Samsung TU7000 65-inch Crystal UHD Smart TV. If you have comments and suggestions or inquiries, please comment them down below. If you like our video today, please toss a like down there. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload our videos in the future. Once again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I will see you guys on the next video.